Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make a restaurant milkshake. First, gather your ingredients. About 2 cups of your favorite ice cream, 5 cups of milk, and any desired flavorings like chocolate syrup or fruit. Using good quality ice cream is key for a rich, thick shake. Whole milk works best for creaminess, but feel free to use a milk alternative if you prefer. This simple combination forms the perfect base for your delicious treat. Next, combine your 2 cups of ice cream, 5 cups of milk, and any flavorings into a sturdy blender. Begin blending on a low speed to break down the ice cream, then gradually increase to a higher setting. Continue blending until the mixture is completely smooth and has reached your preferred thickness. Avoid overblending, which can make the milkshake too thin. Aim for a creamy, pourable consistency. Now for the fun part, customization. Feel free to add extra ingredients like fresh fruit, crushed cookies, or candy pieces to create your signature milkshake. If your shake is too thick, add a splash more milk. If it's too thin, add a bit more ice cream. Finally, pour your delicious creation into a tall glass and top it with whipped cream, sprinkles, or a classic maraschino cherry for that perfect finish. Your homemade restaurant-style milkshake is now ready to enjoy. Serve it immediately to experience the freshest flavor and ideal consistency. Grab a wide straw to fully appreciate the thick, creamy texture you've just created. This easy method ensures a delicious treat every time. Remember to check the description below for a link to some amazing socks and other great deals. Thanks for watching, and happy blending.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.